Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EAFC with friends. To begin, navigate to the main menu. You will find several options for connecting with others. We will cover both online and local play, ensuring you can enjoy the game together. It is straightforward to set up a match, whether you are side by side or across the globe. Let's dive into the details of each method. For online play, head to the Online Friendlies section. Here, you can invite up to 3 friends to join your squad for a casual match. Simply select your friend from your in-game friends list and send an invitation. You can also team up in co-op seasons, where you and one friend can play together against other duos. This offers a fantastic way to climb divisions as a team. Pro Clubs allows you to create or join a club with up to 25 players, each controlling a single player on the pitch. It is a truly immersive team experience. Additionally, in Ultimate Team, you can invite one friend to play co-op in modes like Division Rivals or Squad Battles. This lets you earn rewards and complete objectives together, combining your Ultimate Team rosters for powerful synergy. For local fun, simply connect up to 4 controllers to your console. Then, select Kick Off or a similar local mode to start playing immediately with friends in the same room. For online play, always ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid lag. Also, double-check your platform's privacy settings to ensure friends can send you game invitations. Enjoy your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.